Okay, from the researches that I've made, the guys are suggesting about three possible causes of this challenge of start crank but no start. They say the first maybe challenge will be the what you call this the coil pack. Say that the coil pack might be not sending power or spark to the spark plugs and so on. And the second one, they say that possibly might be the injectors. The injectors might not be sending fuel. That means it's both on the fuel supply and also on the spark. That is why the car just cranks but does not start. It just spins. And the third possible cause, they say it might be on the wiring systems. On the wiring systems, either on the fuses or so, whether to find out whether there is more power that goes to supplying the coil and also the injectors. That is the possible causes that they have given me. But also I have a small diagnostic scanner that I'll be using from here on. I'll be going there to use the diagnostic scanner, and I'll let you know. You will see what the diagnostic scanner says about the possible challenges of this vehicle. My scanner is a small scanner. I'll show you.